What's up, Chantel?
Not much.
How are we doing today?
Good.
What are we up to?
Just making some cookies.
Making some cookies. A little bit of chocolate chip.
Yeah, a little skydiving.
Yeah, a little bit of skydiving. You guys excited?
Yeah, you bet.
Man, you look thrilled. You guys just
Very
look
thrilled.
super stoked.
Yeah, I am.
Super stoked.
I'm way excited.
Who's more nervous out of the two of you?
I don't know.
I'm excited.
Yeah? Good.
Yeah, you bet.
Good.
So,
Good. Any last words before we go jump on this airplane?
let's do it.
No.
Let's do it. Woohoo!
Go have fun!
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
This is your last chance to back out. You're gonna do it. Go ahead and climb in.
No, I do that.
I totally think she should have backed out. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
You love it?
I don't know if I'd go that far.
What was your favorite part?
It'll probably be the only time I'm awesome.
What was your favorite part?
The canopy.
Nice. Thanks for jumping with me to watch that.
Great.
Woohoo!